We are here today with another Generac generator installation. This is an 18 kilowatt with a 100 amp transfer switch. The difference between this installation and the other ones is that it's going to be one panel and transfer switch at the same time. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. That's the transfer switch with the panel embedded together. And then it's gonna replace this mess right here. So it's gonna be nice and clean. Just one panel and transfer switch all together. It's gonna save space, and at the same time we are replacing the electric panel. We have 24 spots here, and the transfer switch on the main circuit is at the top. Here is the generator, 18 kilowatt. It's capable of feeding the whole house. It's on natural gas. The heating system is on natural gas. The gas connection is already done. Then today we're gonna do the electrical connection, and the generator is gonna be ready to start. So we're gonna do the activation. Okay, do you know the Wi-Fi password? The Wi-Fi password, do you know by any chance?
For that? No. No idea.
No, for home. Wi-Fi password for the home network. If you have it, I can see it in your phone. That's an iPhone?
Here, yeah.
Perfect, so let's do it on your phone.